YouTube, it's Alicia here. Hope everybody is having a great day. None other, I'm coming to y'all with a celebrity inspired look, and I am going to actually just a brief show y'all a picture of the person I'm doing. And this, if you can see it, is the picture. Now, I decided to do this tonight, and I'm going to explain everything. So I'm going to explain the shoes down from the shirt to the shoes. Now, I did add some extra jewelry pieces just to make it out. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing is, I'm going to come up a bit. Here we go. And I have on these dark straight leg jeans, plus size jeans. Can't remember the name of them, but I will put them in the description for y'all. But these is a size 24. Can y'all believe this baby is back in a size 24? None other. I have my DIY wedges. I don't have no silver platforms, but I had silver wedges just to still give you the look. In this shirt, I'm finally in this shirt and stuff. And this shirt looks almost the same color as Beyonce's shirt. And y'all, I am hearing for it and stuff. Now in this picture, she only is wearing the big earrings. The closest to a big earring I have are these earrings right here. But yes, I love these earrings. Now, the extra pieces I added was this ring. I will be featuring, be doing on a video before I leave. I will be doing. Now that I have this pink quartz bracelet. Y'all always see me use, and I added this piece in pink, and that is it and stuff. So if you like this look, please thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe. And before I forget, if you want to add a purse, let's back it up. If you want to add a purse to this and you want to use this look to be for going to a game or for a date night, I'm going to show you. So if you're going to a game, you probably want a purse like this, because she shows her purse. Then I tried to find different pictures on it, but I couldn't. So this is the purse. This is a purse my sister gave me. It was hers, but she just gave it to me. So I just thought, okay, it's perfect. It's sort of almost like the style that she would wear to a basketball game. And this picture is based off of one of her a picture she took at a basketball game. So this is sort of like some of the purses that she would tote. Another way you can pair a purse with this outfit is for a casual date night. This is also a pretty good look. It has the metallic like feel and stuff. So I hope y'all like this look. But yeah, those are some of the two purses and thing. But that last purse, that is a purse I purchased a couple of years ago. So yeah, I hope y'all love this Beyonce inspired look. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below,